First, we have Mr. Saito. He is the President and Representative Director based in Kawasaki, Japan, from the top management of Fujitsu General Ltd, Japan. Itagaki, who is heading the R&D and engineering based in Thailand.
Introduce. My name is Saito, president of the company. Today is really Memorial Day for Fujitsu General to start new journey in this important market in India. It was 20 years ago when I was young. I was in charge of Indian market and formed a joint venture company in India. Indian market had a very strong, huge potential, yet untapped for us. Joint venture company made lots of success. However, since because recent very rapid market situation changed, as a brand holder of General and also manufacturer, we have concluded to move here in the marketplace with our customer, or more quick action for customer and also local-oriented product development. It's very happy and exciting now, and Fujitsu General Ltd commit you, and we are going to have the full support commitment to this country of India for this development. Thank you very much for your new journey in this year. Thank you.
The group has expanded aggressively. The group has continued developing and manufacturing new products.
Today we are launching our 3-star innovative spray air conditioners. That category typically contributes to almost 40% of the overall market, which we have been missing all this while. With the introduction of this particular new lineup, now we think we can grow the market, and we want to grow almost 50% every year now, and then try and attain higher market share. So these models typically have come from two basic product concepts, wherein it can operate even up to 55 degrees centigrade. Means it can withstand very harsh conditions of any tropical country. Also, when you have very erratic and unstable voltage conditions, as low as 155 volts and as high as 280 volts, these products can actually work and deliver quality. Thank you very much.